Did you know that there's a substance in your kitchen cabinet that scores more than 290,000 points on the global ORAC antioxidant scale, while blueberries score only 4,000 points? We're talking about cloves. But the biggest surprise isn't their power. It's that they're completely locked, and your body can't absorb them unless you use the right golden key. But wait, there's a secret technique that professionals use when taking this mixture that doubles the speed at which its compounds reach your brain in less than 30 seconds. I'll reveal it to you at the end of this video. Today, I'm going to show you what happens to your cells, your arteries, and your brain when you combine cloves with extra virgin olive oil using a precise scientific protocol. The secret lies in the cell membrane. Your cells are surrounded by a fatty layer that protects them, and cloves alone have difficulty penetrating it. But when we dissolve the eugenol found in cloves into extra virgin olive oil, which is rich in oleocanthal, we transform it into a guided missile that penetrates cell walls with remarkable efficiency. And here's the conclusive evidence. Research from Temple University proved that compounds in olive oil help clear the brain of memory-related toxins, while the Journal of Medicinal Food confirmed that cloves break insulin resistance in cells. You're literally cleansing aging zombie cells while protecting the energy factories throughout your body. The moment this elixir enters your body, a real miracle begins inside your circulatory system. Science tells us that eugenol acts as a natural inhibitor of platelet aggregation. This means it helps maintain healthy blood flow and prevents silent clot formation without the side effects associated with chemical medications. When this compound meets the oleic acid in olive oil, the process of artery polishing begins. This powerful combination increases the levels of nitric oxide, NO, in the lining of your blood vessels, the gas responsible for widening your arteries and maintaining their flexibility. As a result, high blood pressure naturally decreases, and oxygen-rich blood flows more efficiently to every part of your body. You'll feel the coldness that once lived in your hands and feet begin to fade, and your heart will pump blood with less effort. But have you ever wondered why we specify exactly 21 cloves? It isn't random. It's all about the molecular concentration, which I'll explain as we move into the preparation method. The journey continues by extinguishing the fires of silent inflammation that exhaust your joints and cause stiffness in your neck and back. This mixture works like a molecular firefighting team, searching for areas of pain and neutralizing them. When it reaches your intestines, it performs a complete reset of your second brain. Olive oil nourishes your beneficial gut bacteria, while eugenol acts as a selective purifier that eliminates fungi and toxins, immediately improving the efficiency of your immune system because 70% of your immune cells live in the walls of your intestines. To achieve these results, here's the correct method. Place 21 whole cloves, with their heads slightly cracked open using a wooden mortar to activate their oils, into half a liter of extra virgin olive oil. Wrap the bottle in aluminum foil to protect it from light. Then leave it in a dark place for 10 days so the active compounds can slowly infuse into the oil. For faster results, use the emergency dose by placing 1 tablespoon of the oil together with 2 ground cloves in a warm water bath for 5 minutes. Timing is the secret to its effectiveness. Taking 1 tablespoon in the morning on an empty stomach 20 minutes before breakfast helps cleanse the liver and stimulate blood circulation. Taking it 45 minutes before bedtime allows your body to perform deep neurological repair. And now, here's the secret technique for immediate absorption. Use the sublingual absorption technique. Hold the oil under your tongue for 30 seconds before swallowing, allowing the compounds to travel directly into your bloodstream and your brain, completely bypassing your stomach acids. Because of the remarkable potency and high concentration of this biological elixir, 1 tablespoon per day is completely sufficient. A small amount is enough to produce remarkable results without overuse, especially for people who are sensitive to strong spices or who take high doses of blood-thinning medications. You now possess a science-backed secret for restoring the youthfulness of your cells. Begin the 21-day challenge. Write "started" in the comments and share this secret with everyone you care about. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on our next journey toward a level of vitality that knows no limits.